And so this was a decision that Tyrone Mason's family did not want to hear. So we asked the DEA how she landed upon this final decision. So that investigation, it uncovered that Trooper Macario attempted to stop Mason, who he observed was going 70 miles per hour, over 70 miles per hour in a 40-mile-per-hour zone. But according to the investigation, the trooper turned off his lights and slowed down. Shortly after that, Mason lost control of his vehicle and crashed. So law enforcement recordings apparently captured Trooper Macario speaking with his supervisor, and the supervisor telling him to tell responding officers he wasn't pursuing Mason, just that he had rolled upon the wreck. Freeman says that the trooper's actions violate honesty standards of law enforcement, but the lie did not create a situation where justice had been obstructed. So Freeman also says that Macario did end up telling the truth to officers on the scene, and the correct information came out in the crash reconstruction report. And this is why she chose not to pursue criminal charges. But she shares that they will not use either of the troopers as witnesses in the future cases that may come about. It will be up to Highway Patrol to determine their employment status.
Here you have a mother that for months was given wrong information about the death of her son. That should have never happened. At the root of that was a law enforcement officer who did not tell the truth. Clearly, that should never happen. I understand why this case really has challenged the public's trust in law enforcement and in the system. I hope that in at least, shining light on exactly what happened and making it clear that we're not going to tolerate that kind of conduct in terms of the officers that we're willing to use in court. That sends a message as to our attempts to rebuild that trust.
And so the attorneys for the family releasing this statement, you can see here on your screen, today's decision by the district attorney flies in the face of accountability, justice, and common sense. It's an insult to Tyrone Mason's family and the people of North Carolina. Now, we're told by the DA that this body cam footage and the dash cam footage should be released as early as tomorrow. So we'll be on the lookout for that. Back